Hello?
You're right, Jake. Listen, if you was to go out to the pub tonight around 9 if you're interested. Yeah.
Sorry mate, I can't, I've got to drive in the morning anyway.
Again?
Yeah, honest mate, I would if I could.
Listen, if you're interested, I might know a way you can make some serious cash. This guy Tony called me earlier. He said he's in need of an urgent job.
I don't know Mike, that sounds kind of dodgy.
It won't be anything you can't handle. He said something about cleaning his bathroom upstairs. Listen, he's a straight up guy and he'll pay you well. Look, I'll give him a call and I'll set it up.
Alright, fine, just send me your address and I'll go there tomorrow. Alright, have a good night.
£100. It's a long time since I switched.
Tony, I take it you're Mike's mate.
Yeah, you said you have a job for me.
Here's some money for this job. If you do well and show respect, I'll find you some more work. I'll be in there if you need me, and the job's upstairs in the bathroom.
Okay.
Oi, where you going? Action!
For many, this is the traditional view of the police, the bobby on the beat. But according to a new report, frontline officers are increasingly being tucked in.
Secret that renting in London is getting more and more expensive.
Some officers estimated that only 50% of their time was spent on the beat. Instead,
Please,
they were
please.
busy responding to emergency